Hello and welcome. I'm trying to keep this short here. It's just a short tutorial about how to use Canva if you want to have your pictures in 300 DPI. So if you have a picture on your computer and you would like to print it out, you have to have it in good enough quality so it can be printed and it would look nice when printed. I took this picture of a fawn as an example here. So first you open Canva and go to upload. This window will pop up and you just click the choose files button. After that you just click the use in a new design button, and as you can see my font picture is 512 by 768 in pixels, so I probably have to resize it a little bit. After you have clicked the use in a new design button, Canva will ask you what to do with the picture. So there's a lot of different possibilities what you could do with it. So because I want to have my picture in the size A4, I'm going to click the custom size button. Then I just fill in the pixel amounts for the width and the height to make it A4. And as you can see here, the picture is not matching with the canvas behind it, so you just have to take your mouse and click on the sides of the picture that I've marked here with the arrows. So you just drag those to match the canvas. Here you see the picture has been modified so that it is matching the canvas behind it. And as I was taking the screenshot, I didn't realize that there was the screenshot tool on the bottom right, so sorry about that, but yeah, I'm a pro. Now the picture is about ready. I gave it a name also, you can see it on the top, fawn example, and you just push the share button on the right top corner. Then as this pops up, you just click the download. After that you can see this one opens up and there is the slider that I've marked with the arrow. So this is the crucial part here. You have to max the slider out to the right so the file size increases and the Canva adds more pixels to it. So that will make your picture more high quality and the result will be 300 dots per inch. Then you just click the download button on the bottom and you're good to go. If you want to check your picture, you can open it with, for example, with the Windows Picture View tool, and there you can see on the top there's the info logo or picture over there. You click it and this will open up. And there you go. Now your picture has 300 dots per inch. My Windows is in Finnish, so it says 300 pistettä tuumalla, but that's what it means. So that's all for now. Hooray me, got this done. Amazing. And thanks for everybody who watched this, and maybe see you on the next video.